Good night. Thanks for playing. All right. Got it. Same target. You all right?
Would you be surprised if I told you that the Navy has credited you with over 160 kills?
No, sir.
I want to give you a job.
Is it better to be feared or respected?
She's a contract with me.
I'm gonna be the face of a world that doesn't exist.
What didn't you tell us about this woman?
I say, is it too much to ask for both? I'm gonna break out the suit.
Oh, God knows what her motives are, but it's clear that protecting this country is not one of them.
Now you want to wade into a war.
You will hold yourself and your government responsible.
We cannot control her. She's no longer a viable asset. She's been turned by a terrorist.
You think you're the only superhero in the world?
I'm in.
That's her, right there.
What do you think that we do out there?
S.H.I.E.L.D. takes the world as it is, not as we'd like it to be.
You are lying to yourselves because we know who they are and what they do. This is what they do, and we must fight back.
We have a Section 9 operative under terrorist programming. This goes public, your unit goes down.